Sir,
Just 1
I
minute,
support
Mr.
the
Reddy.
NDPS bill.
Honorable member, Mr. Reddy,
Sir.
just 1
In the
minute.
past few years, India has
That's
seen
1
a
minute.
rise in cultivation and smuggling of ganja. According to the UN Office of Drugs and Crime, India accounted for 6% of the world's marijuana seizures in 2016, amounting to nearly 300 tons. This increased by 20% to 350 tons in 2017. The consumption of ganja in this country is alarming. As per the Minister of Social Justice
Mr.
and
Prabhakar Reddy,
Empowerment, there are
Mr. Prabhakar Reddy,
users of ganja in the
Mr.
country.
Prabhakar Reddy, just 1 minute. There is a point of order by Mr. Rao, please. Under what rule?
Yeah, Rule 238.1.2. So both member Mr. Tiruchi Siva and prior to that the TMC member, they made references to an incident which is currently under a judicial probe. 238.1. Sir, 238.1 references to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision is pending cannot be raised in this court. Point number 2. So there cannot be a personal charge against a member, and I take this to mean member of both the houses. And they have taken names of ministers who are also members of parliament. Therefore, all references to these should be expunged, sir.
I will go into the record.
Please, sir. 238.1
I'll go into the record.
and 2, both.
I'll look at the record. Yes, Mr. Reddy.
Addiction to ganja has also become a huge concern, sir. 2019 report of the National Drug Dependent
Mr.
Treatment
Reddy,
Center.
Mr. Reddy,
noted that about 7.2 million.
Just 1 more minute. Tiruchi Siva, what's your point of order? Under what rule? 250 is so general.
Sir, it's a statement of objection reasons in the bill. In a recent judgment, Honorable High Court of Tripura passed in CRL reference 1/2020, court on its own motion versus the Union of India has held that until the appropriate legislative change occurs by amending section 27A of the NDPS Act appropriately, subclasses 1 to 5 of class 8A of section 2 of the NDPS Act shall suffer effect of deletion and bringing in subclasses 1 to 5 of class 8B of section 2 of the NDPS Act in that place. And based on that only this amendment has been brought.
Yeah.
It is not substitute is what I meant.
That is why the bill has come.
Why is it raising a point of order for each and everything?
I'll look into the record. That is why the bill is brought by Honorable Minister. Please, you have no point now.
It's a judgment.
Yeah.
It's a judgment.
They have a point of disorder.
Minister that the case is.
Allow me to speak, and I'm sure Narasimha Rao can explain himself. The point of order which Narasimha Rao, honorable member, raised pertains to naming another house's member and calling him names. And therefore he said, no, that is not permitted. Nothing to do with this. And that is under judicial scrutiny. That is under judicial scrutiny. So honorable member Tiruchi Siva is actually wrong. He quotes one thing, he refers to something else. I'm sorry, he's wrong.
I will go through the record. I'll go through the record. Ramireddy, please.
Initiatives of AP government, like many states in the country, Andhra Pradesh too has become victim to the dangers of ganja cultivation and consumption. However, the AP government under the leadership of Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy has undertaken commendable initiatives to curb the spread of ganja cultivation and consumption in the state. First, the AP government has sought to destroy ganja plantations more than 15,000 acres of land under the Operation Parivartana. For this, it has collected satellite photos and drone videos and has also gathered information on the cultivators and smugglers involved. Second, Special Enforcement Bureau and state police have formed a special joint task force to put an end the free flow of ganja and other drugs in the state. A special control room will also be set up with the toll-free number and dedicated WhatsApp number so that public can share information about their grievances.
You cannot obstruct a member. This can happen to you also. Please do not obstruct a member. You cannot so placard
In this regard,
from the seat of another member.
surveillance on educational institutions to stop the supply and consumption of drugs. This will help the police to track down the origin of drugs and
Don't sit in another member's seat. Go to your own seat. Go to your own seat. Don't
It has
obstruct.
conducted various awareness drives to reach out to students across the state and eradicate them on drug-related issues. Motivation, speakers, counselors, senior doctors, psychiatrists and juvenile officers have been interacting with students to motivate them against using drugs and to provide assistance.
Abir Ranjan Biswas.
Fifth, the government has
Abir Ranjan Biswas, you cannot obstruct a member.
centers in the state.
Please go to your seat.
Where treatment is provided free of cost. Government will spend ₹5 crores per annum in their maintenance and staff these centers with the psychiatric doctors and counselors. Conclusion, considering that ganja cultivation, smuggling and consumption is a national issue that is not restricted to any particular state. Individual state efforts can only have limited impact. In this regard, it is imperative that the union government undertake the necessary initiatives to supplement the efforts of the state government. I also urge the union government to allocate funds to the Andhra Pradesh government from the National Fund for Control of Drugs Abuse to assist the state government in its fight to eradicate drug menace. I support the NDPS amendment bill 2021. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I have seen some of the honorable members are obstructing other members. He is your colleague, you cannot obstruct. Otherwise I will have to name him. I will have to name you. Please do not obstruct other member. The next speaker is Dr. V. Sivadasan. Is he here?